This is to show you how to make changes to an assignment you've already completed on Google Classroom and some of the problems you might encounter and how to fix them. So let's go on the Google Classroom app. And again, my class, for which I have the assignment. As I mentioned before, you might see the assignment here on the front page on the stream, but it might move around over time. So if you want an easy way to find it, you go at the bottom and click on classwork. And you will find your assignment under its section name. So let's click on it now. And as before, I can't see it here. I need to drag the bottom to make it appear. I'm going to click on it and top right, click on the little square. And normally that would be all you need to do. But I want to show you some of the problems you might encounter. So most common, if you look at the top left, it says view only, and indeed I can't write. So let's come back out so I show you what went wrong. And again, so that will happen if you have turned in your work. That's why I recommend you don't turn it in, because it can create some issues like this. So you need to click on submit. Now for most of you, that will be all you need to do. And then you click again on the file as usual, and that would be it. Now, for some reason, some phones, mine included, don't like this, and I'm still locked even though I have unsubmitted it. So how I've been working out of this is genuinely to close Google Classroom, because for some reason it hasn't registered that I've unsubmitted it. And then you need to go on a different device, ideally a computer, and go on the internet on the Google Classroom website. So it's classroom.google.com. You log in with your school login. It's going to look very similar to your app. So you find your class, you go in classwork, it's going to be on the top, and then you click on your assignment. You want to click on the file itself, so you're going to open it, and then you just need to make a small change. Maybe you add a space. I'm doing it right now as I speak. It just needs to register that you've made something, so you can recognize that it was unsubmitted. And then I close the tab that I had opened. So now if I go back on Google Classroom, that's why I say don't turn it in. It just creates a lot of hassle. Classwork, my assignment. And now it works. So you can see the little blue pen at the bottom right. So it needs a minute to kind of save everything. Now if I double click, I can make any changes that I want. Once I'm happy with my changes, click with the tick at the top, close everything. And as I said, don't hand it in to avoid all of this.